Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your blacks in Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. As you can see, I'm in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app at the main page, but here you can do all sort of things. We're gonna focus on one thing today, on adjusting your blacks. For that, you want to click on this blue button at the top called Photo Editor. Here you want to choose a picture for you to edit. I'm gonna choose this random one. At the bottom you have these little buttons. We're gonna choose the adjustments. It's the second one. Here you have to scroll to the right for a little bit, and here you have these blacks. Click on that, and here you can adjust it as bright and as dark as you would like. Yeah, you can fully customize it. You have very much wiggle room. You can play with it as much you would like. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.